Good morning, children. Today we will start with our fourth part of chapter number 6, that is partition and unification of Germany. You can see over here, this is the map of Germany. Okay, and in the middle, the full Germany was divided into two halves, the Eastern Germany and Western Germany later on. But first it was divided into four parts. Okay, you can see at the end of the World War II, the Allied powers conquered Germany into the four zones, each occupied by either the United States, Great Britain, France, the Soviet Union, as agreed by the Potsdam Conference. The same was done with Germany's capital city, Berlin also. Okay, so first of all, Germany was divided into four parts. Now, Germany was the main reason behind, we can say, both the world wars. And in the Second World War, we can see it had faced a humiliating defeat. It was being defeated. Okay, so all its state administration and economy collapsed completely at that time because of this. We can say defeat. Pura economic condition of Germany had been collapsed. There was not a single large party left in the whole of Germany that can rule the nation. तो जर्मनी में अब कोई ऐसी पार्टी नहीं थी जो पूरे जर्मनी को रूल कर सके एंड उसका इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन बेहतर बना सके. In addition to that, there was fear that Germany would pose threat to the world once again if it emerged as a military power once again. Now all the other countries had a fear कि अगर जर्मनी वापस से उठ खड़ा हुआ, its economic condition regained, what will happen? Again, maybe Germany become one of the reasons for the future world wars, isn't it? वापस से एक strong nation बन जाए, वापस से अपनी military strong कर दें. Again, because of Germany, wars हो सकते हैं. This was the fear among the other nations. Therefore, the defeated Germany was divided into four administrative segments, isn't it? So, हारे हुए जर्मनी को उन्होंने क्या किया? चार हिस्सों में बांट दिया. Now, the Soviet Red Army in the later phase of the war had captured the eastern part of Germany. Soviet Union means Russia का एक group था that was named as Soviet Red Army that had captured the eastern part of Germany. Therefore, it was accepted that Eastern Germany would remain in their control, whereas it was decided that America would control the southwestern side of Germany. रशिया ने ईस्टर्न पार्ट लिया, अमेरिका ने जर्मनी का साउथ वेस्टर्न पार्ट के ऊपर होल्ड कर दिया. दे हैड अ कंट्रोल ऑन द साउथ वेस्टर्न पार्ट. देन फ्रांस वुड कंट्रोल इट्स एरिया नियर फ्रांस. फ्रांस के जो आसपास का जर्मनी था, फ्रांस ने उसको कब्जे में कर दिया. while Britain would control the areas of Germany bordering Belgium and Holland. Isn't it? So Britain ने भी चौथा हिस्से के ऊपर कंट्रोल कर दिया, that was bordering Belgium and Holland. America, France and Britain started thinking about certain alternative arrangement. Meanwhile, an atmosphere of distrust and doubt had already started between the two power blocks. Isn't it? At that time, America and Russia के बीच में भी जो प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था, कोल्ड वॉर चल रहा था. So, America, France and Britain, what did they do? They joined Germany और उसका होल्ड किसके पास आ गया? अमेरिका के पास. America and other Western European countries established Federal Republic of Germany. उन तीनों कंट्रीज ने मिलकर जर्मनी का एक नाम दे दिया, that was known as Federal Republic of Germany. That area was controlled by America, Britain and France on one side. On the other side, Soviet Union also declared East Germany as Democratic Republic of East Germany. हमने देखा था कि रशिया ने ईस्टर्न जर्मनी के ऊपर कंट्रोल किया था, तो उस जर्मनी का नाम क्या दिया गया था? Democratic Republic of East Germany. Thus, after the war, two independent German states came into existence, namely West Germany, that is Democratic Germany. So, जो ब्रिटेन, अमेरिका और अमेरिका, फ्रांस एंड ब्रिटेन जो होल्ड कर रहे थे, ओके, दे वर हैविंग ऑन द वन साइड, ओके, सो दे जर्मनी का वेस्टर्न पार्ट दे हैड बीन रूलिंग, okay, and that was being ruled through which ideology? Democratic ideology. And East Germany, that was on the side of Russia, okay, that had which system? Communist system. As Germany's three western segments were united, three administrative segments of Berlin also united. Okay, so इवन जर्मनी का जो कैपिटल था बर्लिन, उसको भी हिस्सों में बांट दिया गया था. सो बर्लिन के बीच में भी एक वॉल बना दी गई थी, एंड वन पार्ट वॉज बीइंग ruled by America and the other part by Russia. In reaction to this, Soviet Union in April 1948 declared Berlin blockade. Okay, so one part of this Berlin blockade means kabza kar dena. So one part of Berlin was being declared as Berlin blockade by Russia. This resulted into tremendous tension between Soviet Union and Western countries. Later on, a high and 42 kilometers long wall separating Western and Eastern Berlin was constructed. Okay, so Berlin को भी दो हिस्सों में divide कर दिया गया, and a big wall of 42 kilometers long wall was being made in Berlin, separating Eastern Berlin and Western Berlin. Okay. The communist government tried to prevent thousands of German citizens from jumping and entering into the free atmosphere of Western German. Eastern German as well as Eastern Berlin was being ruled by Russia, and they had adopted communist system. So means everything was in the hands of the government. The government did not give them any type of freedom, isn't it? जो imperialistic type का rule था, communist type का rule था, that was creating so much frustration, aggressiveness among the people. On the other side, that was on the side of America, that is Western Germany and Western Berlin. They had adopted the democratic system. They had given full freedom to the people, and the people were very happy on their side. So now, people wanted to go from the eastern side towards the western side, but communist Russia उनको allow नहीं करता था to go from their side towards the American side. Many people lost their lives in doing so. After about 4 to 4.5 decades, Western Germany made an astonishing development. Now what was happening? जो side America के side था Germany, okay, and they were following democratic system that had flourished a lot. वो बहुत आगे बढ़ता ही जा रहा था because of its free thinking ideologies. और जो side Russia के side था Germany, that was in the hands of Russia, that did not prosper at all. They were still following the old rules, सब कुछ government के under में. So government was not able to progress even the Germany or Berlin of that side. Experts consider this as German miracle. Western side was improving, western side was going higher, the economic condition was improving, so that was considered as what? German miracle. There was no remarkable change in the economic condition of East Germany. जो रशिया के साइड था उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं आ रहे थे. The East German communist government crushed all hopes of its people for political freedom and rapid economic development. Okay, so जो communist side था, they had crushed the people's feelings और the people's political freedom भी नहीं मिलता था उनको, उनका economic development नहीं हो रहा था. Till 1990, many important and far-fetching changes took place in the international politics. Owing to many reasons, the Cold War among superpowers also ended. हमने देखा था because of this Cuba and because of this treaty also, nuclear partial ban treaty की वजह से the Cold War had slowly ended. Those years witnessed cracks in otherwise impregnable Soviet Union. Ultimately, Soviet Union was disintegrated. Slowly and gradually, मैंने बताया अभी तक कि full Soviet Union that was so very powerful that also had been disintegrated. वो भी उनमें से भी छोटे छोटे countries अलग हो गए थे. As a consequence of it, on October 3rd, 1990, both the Germany united. Okay, and so because of that, जब रशिया डिसइंटीग्रेट हुआ, जब रशिया अलग हुआ, तो उस टाइम पे now Germany was also being united. On which date? On 3rd October 1990. People broke down the German wall, which was a symbol of German division. Okay, लोगों ने वो जो wall construct की गई थी, that they broke down, and people were very happy to move from one side to the other side. From eastern side, so many people went towards the western side because they loved the freedom, they loved the ideologies followed by America and Western Germany people. People considered the demolition of the Berlin Wall as the end of Cold War era and celebrated the occasion wholeheartedly. So people started celebrating this occasion. They broke down the wall, okay, Today, unified Germany had turned out to be the strongest economic power in Europe. After breaking of this wall, जब Germany was being united, again we can say Germany का progress start हो गया. After 1990, they have made a tremendous efforts to be the strongest economic nation in the last decade. So after that, in the last so many decades, we can say in the last 20-30 years, Germany had progressed a lot. Today it has become one of the most important and the leading nations of the European Union. So Germany is considered as one of the leading nations of Europe. You can see over here the wall being constructed dividing Germany. Okay, this is the Eastern Germany and the Western Germany. Okay. Now we'll study a small part of the disintegration of the Soviet Union. मैंने बताया था कि because of the disintegration of the Soviet Union, the power of Russia had gone down. During the last decade of the 20th century, Soviet Union's Prime Minister Mikhail Gorbachev's liberal policy led to the disintegration of Soviet Union, that is Russia. Okay. He was the Prime Minister Mikhail Gorbachev. He was a very liberal person, and so he allowed the smaller nations to disintegrate themselves from Russia. Peaceful disintegration of Soviet Union is considered as an epoch making in the international politics. Mikhail Gorbachev became the Prime Minister from a socialist side on 11th March 1985. Okay, when he became the Prime Minister, he started giving permission to disintegrate. He had a liberal attitude. Russia had progressed tremendously in the field of science and technology. They also had acquired capability to compete with the superpowers like America. Okay, so till that time Russia was one of the, we can say, superpowers. एक America and दूसरा था Russia, and they had the power to compete with America. So now Gorbachev, when he came, he adopted the two policies, that is Glasnost and Perestroika. In this way, Gorbachev introduced economic and political reforms. Now, first of all, understand what is this Glasnost and Perestroika. Glasnost is the open discussion on political and economic reforms. He had adopted this policy of Glasnost, means he used to discuss all the changes, political reforms जो उसको लाना था, economic reforms जो लाना था. He was such a liberal person. He used to discuss everything with his we can say government या उनके government के लोगों से वो discuss करता था. Okay. And Perestroika is, after discussing, he used to adopt that reforms also, isn't it? Political and economic reforms he used to bring in his government. In this way, Gorbachev introduced economic and political reforms in the place of single-handed communist rule. पहले रशिया में कम्युनिस्ट रूल चलता था, मैं बताया था, गवर्नमेंट वाज द होल एंड सोल, एवरीथिंग वॉट एवर द गवर्नमेंट से वो सबको मानना ही पड़ता था. बट नाउ व्हेन ही केम, he used to discuss everything, he used to adopt new reforms, he gave liberty to the people also. The stronghold of Communist Party, the Soviet bureaucracy and the Red Army started weakening. Okay, जो कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी थी, okay, और जो सोवियत ब्यूरोक्रेसी थी, ब्यूरोक्रेसी मीन्स जो गवर्नमेंट के कुछ लोगों के हाथ में ही सत्ता होती थी, वो सब अब धीरे धीरे ख़त्म होने लगा. In 1990, process of disintegration of Soviet Union began. Okay, so now Soviet Union started to be disintegrating. Okay, Gorbachev की वजह से he adopted the liberal policy. He allowed the smaller nations to liberate. Towards the end, out of 15 states, 14 states became independent, and disintegration of Soviet Union came to an end in December 1991. Okay, so many states now had been liberated, or this process had been started in 1990, और 2 साल में तो he allowed nearly 14 more states to disintegrate from Russia. Okay, so all these topics on page number 42 of your textbook. Okay, partition, unification of Germany and disintegration of Soviet Union. This partition and unification of Germany is an important topic, and it too comes in 4 marks answer. Go through it. Okay, thank you, beta.